लाइट जल्दी लेना भैया, नहीं मिलेगा।
मैम हियर,
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर।
मैम हियर, मैम हियर, कितनी हियर? कितनी हियर? लाइट अच्छा है।
Excuse me. 1 second.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
ओके ओके कितनी वेट पे कितनी मामू कितनी नीचे राइट साइड पीछे हटो यार, बैठ जाओ तुम लोग यार। चलो भाई लोग चलो, चलो हो गया सबका। अरे चलो यार हटो ना।
अगर हम फिल्मों की बात करें तो हम सिंग स्प्लिंग करी, लेकिन हम इसमें काफ़ी डील हुआ है सिंग स्प्लिंग। कोई खास
मैं सिंग स्प्लिंग अब नहीं कर रही हूँ, एज यू मस्ट हैव रेड, लेकिन हाँ काफ़ी रीजंस की वजह से वो फिल्म जो है वो थोड़ी पोस्टपोन हो रही थी कॉन्स्टेंटली, एंड आई एम अनफॉर्चुनेटली नॉट एबल टू डू द फिल्म. I was really preparing a lot for the film and I really wanted to do it. Akshay Kumar and Prabhudeva, they are a team that you always want to be a part of. So unfortunately it was getting delayed और finally अब जब वो start हो रही है the dates are clashing with my other projects. So I think it was a mutual decision. हमने बहुत कोशिश करी, मैंने और producer Ashwini Adi ने, to work out the dates, but unfortunately sometimes it's not in your hands and you can't do anything about it. So I think we mutually decided that I should probably step out of the film, and I think Amy is doing the film now, and I guess I know the script, so I know that she suits the role perfectly, and I wish her all the best.
ऋतिक रोहित शेट्टी की भी कोई फिल्म आप कर रही हैं?
I'm really sorry that I won't be able to comment on films as such right now. This is probably also not the right platform, and I think थोड़ा time आप लोग wait करो तो you will hear all the things and everything will be cleared out, and I'll talk when the time is right, and that's going to be soon.
Okay, no questions.
आप दिल्ली से हैं, दिल्ली में जो निर्भया कांड हुआ था उसके ऊपर डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनी है बैन है, तो आप इसके बारे में क्या विचार रखते हैं?
मैंने एक्चुअली ट्विटर पर काफ़ी खुलकर अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखा था, बिकॉज आई जस्ट कुड नॉट होल्ड माई सेल्फ बैक. मैं दिल्ली में थी जब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ, एंड what I felt that time, the anger and the pain that I felt that time, I felt the same thing all over again when I saw the documentary. And I think हर इंसान को, especially men, should watch that documentary. I don't know why it is banned in our country, and I think we're just putting ourselves back into the same situation by banning it. So I think everyone should watch it, and it's very shameful whatever has happened. I mean, if I start talking, I'll just get emotional about it.
Kriti, I have a question for you.
क्योंकि अपने अटायर के बारे में कुछ बताइए ना, जो आपने पहना हुआ है, कुछ औरतों के बारे में.
Could you tell us what you're wearing?
I am wearing this jumpsuit. It's a Guess jumpsuit, and it's denim, which is very, very comfortable, and it's young at the same time. And I think when you wear a jumpsuit, it kind of gives, and as you can see, it's just fitting me very well. So I rather choose things which fit me well, which complement my body. I'm tall, so I think it is something which complements my body type. and yeah, it's a nice, comfortable jumpsuit, and denim is something which can never go wrong. And I'm wearing yellow shoes, which are a little more funkier than my outfit.
वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, वर्ल्ड कप आप फॉलो कर रही हैं?
हाँ, मैं स्पेशली इंडिया के मैचेस आई एम ट्राइंग माई लेवल बेस्ट, वेदर आई एम हियर और देयर, आई ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट टू वॉच.
विशेष वर्ल्ड कप विशेष
I'll wish the Indian cricket team all the very best, and we're not going to let the World Cup go away. It's going to come back to where it is right now.
Kriti, hi, I'm Priyanka. I'm from ActFacts. I wanted to know 5 Allo must-haves, 5 or 3 must-haves for the upcoming season. Summer, mainly.
You want me to pinpoint or?
Yeah, anything that you mentioned or that you feel is a must-have for the summer season.
I think first of all, since I've said so much and I really like, it's right in front of me. One probably from the floral print collection. I think a floral pump will be something which is gonna just add a little bit of fun element to your outfit. And there are a lot of nice, vibrant color bags as well. There are a lot of tie-up. There are tie-up shoes, which are a little more fun than a normal peep toe. So I think that, and what else? Probably the pair that I'm wearing, because it's a nice, I'll just show it to you. It's a nice 2-color pump. So that's something which can add a little bit of color to what you're wearing. Thank you.
You face the side.
Nitesh, mark t-shirt.
Are you clicking? Click a normal photo na?
बैक साइड से लेना. सर हाँ, आप जरा हाथ यहाँ पे भी
I'll hold it.
हाँ, अब ये निकाल.
ये भी यहाँ पे जाना प्लीज. यहाँ पे.
Pretty here.
This side of the this side. Yeah, okay, you want.
डन
Pretty. Pretty here, one more. Pretty.
Yeah. See you. Yes. Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे. Center. Center.
Pretty here.
Ma'am, for video.
On your right.
कितना देगा देखो आया
Really was.
Thank you.
Hi Kriti, this is Annabelle from Times. Summers are often associated with vacation and holidays and taking breaks. So what's your favorite vacation dressing tip?
Vacation dressing tip.
Do you have a vacation planned? You've been working so hard. And what's your favorite dressing tip for vacation?
Look center.
I don't think you should have a vacation dressing tip. I mean, you're on a vacation. Just be free, wear what you're most comfortable in. If you like wearing pajamas, just go on a beach in a pajama, it's okay. But yeah, I think it depends on where you're going for a vacation. If you're going on a beach, you'll dress differently. If you're going on a hill station for vacation, you'll dress differently. So I just feel that you should, on a vacation, you need to be comfortable, you need to be happy. So just wear what you feel like, whatever just makes you feel comfortable.
Hello. Hi. I'm Mandana from Familiar Publication. I want to ask you from the entire collection that was launched today, which is your favorite
It's the floral pump.
and what are the summer
Yeah, I think as far as skin is concerned, I mean, not only in summers, but you should always put sunscreen. I think sun is something which can damage your skin a lot. So a sunscreen is a must, probably twice a day. And even if you're sitting at home, it's something which is very, very important. Sometimes because of summers we tend to not moisturize the skin, but whether it's summers or winters or any season, you need to moisturize your skin. Make sure that you take off your makeup every night properly with a makeup remover, and then wash it with a face wash and then moisturize. So I think skin is something which needs to breathe also. So keep it minimal when it comes to makeup, and yeah, that's all.
Kriti, as well, thanks you for gracing your this occasion with your presence. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
बाय कैमरा बाय
Let's start. We'll start with the one-on-ones now. Okay? Come on. Thank you.